Once upon a time in a small cozy town, there lived a little girl named Cindy. Cindy was an ordinary girl with an extraordinary love for drawing. She had a special drawing pencil, and it was no ordinary pencil. It was magical. Cindy's magical drawing pencil was a gift from her grandma, who used to be an artist. This pencil had a shiny silver body with a colorful eraser on top. Whenever Cindy held it, she felt a tingle of excitement run through her fingers. One sunny morning, Cindy woke up with a big smile on her face. She had a whole day ahead of her to create her beautiful drawings. She jumped out of bed, quickly brushed her teeth, and had a yummy breakfast. As soon as she finished her cereal, Cindy rushed to her room, where her drawing supplies were neatly arranged on her desk. She picked up her magical drawing pencil and stared at it in awe. "Good morning, my wonderful pencil," she said, as if it could hear her. "Let's create something amazing today." Cindy always believed that her pencil had a personality of its own. It seemed to respond to her words and emotions, making her drawing adventures even more exciting. Cindy's first drawing of the day was a beautiful rainbow. She carefully drew each color, starting with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Her pencil seemed to glide on the paper as if it had a mind of its own. The colors were so vivid that they practically jumped off the page. After finishing the rainbow, Cindy decided to draw a big, friendly sun. She added a bright, smiling face to it. When she touched the eraser on her magical pencil to the sun, something incredible happened. The sun's smile grew even bigger, and it started shining even brighter. Cindy giggled with delight. "You really are a magical pencil," she exclaimed. With her magical pencil, Cindy drew all kinds of amazing things that day. She sketched a magical castle where friendly dragons lived. She drew a field of beautiful, colorful flowers that smelled like cotton candy. Her pencil even brought to life a talking squirrel who chatted with her about his adventures in the forest. But as the day went on, Cindy noticed something strange. Her magical drawing pencil started to look a bit tired. Its silver body became dull, and the colors it drew weren't as vibrant as before. Cindy felt worried. She loved her magical pencil, and she didn't want it to lose its magic. She decided to take a break and put her pencil down. She gently patted it as if to comfort it. "Are you okay, my magical pencil?" Cindy asked, her eyes filled with concern. "I don't want you to lose your magic." The pencil didn't respond, but it did seem to rest a bit. Cindy knew she needed to find a way to help her pencil regain its magic. She thought for a moment and then had an idea. Cindy decided to take a walk to the nearby park. As she strolled through the green trees and listened to the chirping birds, she realized that nature was full of magic. The wind rustled through the leaves, and the flowers swayed with joy. Cindy knew that the magic of nature could help her pencil too. She picked some colorful flowers and held them close to her magical pencil. She whispered, "Nature is full of magic, my dear pencil. Let the magic of the world fill you up again." Cindy gently stroked her pencil over the flowers, and something incredible happened. The colors on her pencil started to glow with a newfound brilliance. The silver body of the pencil sparkled even more, and it felt alive in her hand. Excited, Cindy rushed back home to continue her drawings. With her magical pencil now filled with the magic of nature, she created even more amazing things. She drew a sparkling waterfall, a friendly family of talking animals, and a magnificent, starry night sky. As she drew, Cindy couldn't help but smile. Her magical pencil was back to its full magic, and it seemed happier than ever. It was as if it had absorbed the magic of the world and was now sharing it with her through her drawings. The day turned into evening, and Cindy had created a whole world of magical drawings. She sat back in her chair and admired her artwork. She knew that her magical pencil was the key to bringing her imagination to life, and she was grateful for its presence in her life. Cindy carefully placed her magical pencil back in its special box, ready for more adventures in the days to come. As she got ready for bed, she couldn't wait to see what new wonders she would create with her beloved pencil. Cindy's magical pencil taught her that the world is full of wonder and magic, and that with a little imagination and a lot of love, she could create anything she could dream of. And so, in her dreams that night, Cindy flew through the magical world she had drawn, accompanied by her magical drawing pencil, on an adventure that was more extraordinary than anything she had ever imagined.